These birds are catching fish. They must focus on the fish, at the same time work against the current of the water and also against the wind. The one who gave them this wisdom is truly wise. That is what I have learned from these creatures. They must endure, go over and over again in order for them to be able to catch a fish. You can share what you also learned in the comments. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'll share with you a fish that they are trying to catch, so that you can also see it. See you in the next